Hi, Cancer! So, this is your quick oracle reading. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Baguio, sa Burnham. So, your celestial deity is the sun. Alam mo, hindi naman masama na maging selfish ka. Hindi rin masama na agawin mo yung spotlight. Hindi rin masama na isipin mo ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo. There's nothing wrong with that because you have a responsibility sa sarili mo. Yes, andun tayo. House of family ka and you're very concerned about other people. Pero bakit nawawala yung ikaw sa top priority? Ikaw, paalala lang sa'yo ng part of the sun, you should be the priority. Yourself should be the priority. Ikaw mismo ang dapat nauuna kasi how can you be a blessing sa iba kung andoon na ikaw mismo, hirap ka sa sarili mo, hirap ka sa buhay mo. Think about it. Reflect. And you will be able to find na you can be better, you can be more. I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. And I'll see you in our next video.